completely different to what we saw.
I do love lemon juice.
I can't really have one of those.
That's better.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
So much nice. Yes. That one. Yeah. That's really nice.
I mean, you just step on that little bit rock and it's busy,
Oh, I could be on like an inlet.
My camera's been like,
Okay, like a full shot.
Glenn, set left. That's over the seaweed.